Ace, Arted exclusive like this. Yeah, because a long time I no party like this. Me tell the girl them the sweetest lyrics. My girl, let me tell you this. Hey girl, just come over. When the night get cold, rest your head palm me shoulder. Girl say she want a ring, come on a king inna the thing inna the pot, me a no joke. From the bed to the sofa, position like a yoga. She know say me no lame, I no Drake, busy a the real control. She love the way how me approach, so me push her like a stroller. Girl nice and soft, me so me squeeze her closer. Yeah, for real, pull up the one from top. Now me turning wool and diamond socks. I show them old time style, ya come back. Yeah, me have to sing say for real. The place jump back. Boil can super sell out a pot. Me no want a little vibe, you have to stop. No way, so reggae music sweet. Listen the bass and the tweet. The style them neat. Back in the days, man of them travel facts, Bally and Clarks. Nowadays a bass neat. No gabardine mesh marine. No fighting at the dance. No weapon, no affair up in a pocket in a no glean. Big up the fits ride the scene. And all the elders will pave the way for the whole turf. Step out and step in. I said no make me get me in. So me sing for real. Pull up the one from top. Now me turning wool and diamond socks. Watch how them old time style ya come back. Yeah, yes. For real. The place jump back. Boil can super sell out a pot. Say me no want them vibe, you have to stop. No way. Hey. Ace, this is an exclusive business signal, and if you know the world turf and that's how the thing set. Paying homage to all of the elders of pave the way, you know the thing set up different, you know. Peace. Yeah, respect due to the elder. Peace.